Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to explore how to manage the sound settings on the Zangi app. If you are tired of receiving constant notifications from messages, group chats, or calls, this guide will help you control the alerts. First, open the Zangi app on your phone. Next, tap on the settings icon located at the bottom right corner. Then, in the settings menu, find and tap on the notifications option. Here, you will see three categories of sound settings for messages, group chats, and calls. You can individually turn off any of these sounds based on your needs. For example, if you prefer not to be disturbed by group messages, simply switch off the sound for groups while keeping messages and calls active. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more useful guides.